Hi everyone! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Now guys, today's my episode guys. I am going to make a chicken with a coconut cream guys. It's a simple dish guys, but it's yummy. And then, madali lang siyang gawin guys. Tapos, you know, it's up to you guys. I'm going to use my chicken guys. Yeah, drumstick. Here guys. So this is I'm going to use guys the drumsticks chicken, but it's up to you guys. What would you like to prefer for the chicken? You can use Thai chickens, you can use the nibbles or chicken wings, whatever guys. So as long as chicken guys. So for me, I like to prepare to use the drumstick guys. So now guys, before I start my cooking guys, I would like to show you all my ingredients guys, which is I have here guys. So I have my onions guys, and my garlic, and my ginger as well. And also guys, I have my coconut cream or milk. And then I have spring onions as well guys. See, spring onions. So here you go guys, spring onions. And then I had a pak choy as well. So you know guys, as I said, I really like green leafy vegetables guys. So this is only my ingredients guys. So it's very simple guys. It's very simple to make. So now guys, before I start cooking, I'm going to chop my onions, my garlic, and my ginger as well. So before you can watch me guys while I'm chopping my ingredients. Okay guys? Thank you guys. Thank you for watching again. Very simple lang talaga siya guys. Tsaka madali lang talaga siyang lutuin. At tsaka affordable siya guys. Very affordable. Tsaka maganda to guys. Pag talagang gutom na gutom kayo guys. Especially you came home after you work. And then when you get hungry. So this is the easy way that you can make guys. And you can eat straight away because it's easy lang talaga siya guys. Tapos ngayon guys, yung chicken ko pala guys, binoiled ko na siya guys. Kasi para mas madali siya sa paggawa ko ng video. So naka-boiled na siya. Pero depende sa you guys. It depends to you guys if you wanna boil first or you don't wanna boil, that's fine guys. But for me, I prefer to always boil my chicken first to make it soft a little bit. So, para mag-start na ako siyang lutuin lahat guys, madali na lang siya. Okay guys. Tapos chop lang natin ng konti yung ano natin guys, ginger. Nakita niyo ba ako guys? Are you still there guys? This is my own ingredients guys. every time I cook a chicken, guys, and then I mix with the coconut cream or coconut milk, guys. Kasi paborito ko talaga, guys, yung coconut milk. Paborito ko siyang ihalo every time na may gagawin ako ng pagluluto, guys. Lagi may coconut cream na hinahalo ko talaga, guys. Well, not all the time naman, guys. Depende sa ingredients na available ako, guys. Yan na, guys. So, I chop already, guys, into small bits, guys. So, ngayon, guys, i-chop natin yung onions natin, guys. Be patient, guys. Kasi, ulit yung chopping board ko, guys, eh. Ayan na, guys. So, kaya, I already boiled my chicken, guys, para mas madali siya, guys. Madali siyang lutuin. Tsaka, depende, guys. Depende sa paghiwa ng mga ingredients nyo, guys. Depende sa style ng design ng ingredients nyo, guys. Kung paano nyo gawin. Kasi sa akin, importante makat ko siya, guys. I-slice ko siya. That's it. Okay, guys. Simulan na natin ang pagluluto, guys. So, wait lang, guys, ha. Isi-sets ko lang yung paglulutuan ko, guys. Tapos, natin yung camera natin sa, malapit sa fry pan natin, guys, para makita nyo. Para makita nyo, guys, kung gaano ka-brown yung, pag inilagay ko na yung ginger, garlic, yun. Yan, kita nyo na, guys, no? Good. Perfect, guys. So, now, guys, i-turn on ko na yung, gas stove ko, guys. Naka-on na yata yung gas ko. Ayan na, guys. Ready na ba kayo, guys? Kasi ako, guys, ready ko na talaga siya gawin, guys. So, first, guys, lalagyan natin siya na, actually, guys, I'm using the olive oil all the time. Pero, depende sa inyo, guys, pwede din kayong gumamit ng cooking oil. So, ako kasi, mas gusto kong gamitin yung olive oils, guys, eh. Pero it depends, guys, ha, kung pwede naman ng cooking oil. Okay, guys? Tapos, painitin lang natin siya konti, guys, para pag nailagay na natin yung onions, garlic, at saka ginger, madali lang siyang magbe-brown color. Okay, guys? So, ilapit ko na lang yung mga ingredients ko, guys. Para mas madali siya, guys. You know, guys, I like cooking talaga, guys. I like cooking. Since I was 15 years old, guys, as I said that my grandma already teach me how to cook, guys. So that's why I learned so much cooking from my grandmother. You know? Ayan, so, damihin na natin. So, yun nga guys, sa sinabi ko guys na depende sa sa chicken na gagamitin nyo guys. Pwede kayong gumamit ng chicken wings, pwede kayong gumamit ng chicken nibbles, or chicken thigh. So, ang ginagamit ko talaga is a chicken drumstick guys, kasi parang pag tapos na siyang naluto guys, yung magpe-presentation ka na sa pagkain na niluto mo guys, at least andun man lang yung shape. Pero gusto ko talaga yung drumstick guys. Ayan na guys, so it's been almost ready guys. I can see the oil guys. I can see the olive oil. You can start smoking. Ayan na. So pinahinaan ko lang yung apoy guys. Mahina lang talaga na apoy yung ginamit ko guys, para hindi siya mag-burn kaagad. Para unti-unti yung pagba-brown niya. Tapos, ilagay ko na yung ginger ko guys. Yan. Yan ang ginger ko. Pero depende sa inyo guys ha. It depends to you guys. It depends to you guys if you like to put the ginger. But for me, every time I cook chicken guys, only this way guys, I always put a ginger. Except that if I'm making adobo, chicken adobo guys, hindi ko na siya nilalagyan ng ginger. Only this one, pag yung may konting sabaw siya. Yun, ginagamitan ko talaga siya ng ginger. Inahaluan ko siya ng ginger guys. Pag gumagawa ako ng chicken na may chicken soup. Parang ganun. Naamoy ko na siya guys. I already smelled the garlic and also the ginger guys. Here you go. So kunting halo-halo lang guys. Kita niyo ba guys? Look. Yan guys. Unti-unti lang siyang magbe-brown guys. Kaya nga pinahinaan ko lang yung apoy guys. Apoy. Para hindi siya masunog guys. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung onions natin, guys. Yan. Halo-halo. Halo-halo. Mix-mix. Alam niyo ba guys, ito yung paborito kong guys, fry pan guys. Mura lang ito guys. Nabili ko siya sa guys. Yung mga second hand guys. Alam mo ba yun? Yan. Pero ang ganda niya guys, kahit anong lutuin ko dito guys, hindi talaga siya nasusunog guys. Very useful talaga siya guys. Tsaka maganda siya guys kasi malaki siya. Malaki siyang pan fry. Kahit mag-fry ako dito ng fish or chicken or pork, may sabaw man siya o wala guys. Napaka-useful niya guys. Kasi malaki siya guys eh. As you can see guys, ayan ang laki niya. Gutom na ako kaya guys. Sobrang gutom ko na guys. Naglinis kasi ako kaninang umaga guys. Sa labas ng bahay. Kasi sobrang masyado na siyang madamo guys. Lalo na yun sa front ng bahay namin guys. Diyos ko, sobra guys. Napaka-messy guys. Very, very messy. A lot of dry grasses there that need to be trimmed. But it's okay naman guys. Sa awa naman ng Diyos na umpisahan ko siyang na-trim. Kasi ang pangit guys in front of the house. Tapos halimbawa pag may bisita ka guys, di ba? So, tsaka ngayon, day off ko naman. So, I have time na na maglinis ako sa bahay. Sa labas ng bahay guys. Kasi nung isang araw guys, naglinis ako sa loob ng bahay. Actually guys, I don't want to show you guys the inside of our house at the moment guys. Because as I said last week, on my first video guys, that kalilipat lang namin ng asawa ko dito. We moved here last week, so they have so many things that still there and then need to be sit up. Tsaka hindi basta-basta guys, naglilipat kayo ng mga gamit sa bagong bahay. Nako, it's not easy guys. So, next time guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, promise, kung ano itsura ng bahay, mag-house tour tayo. Pero, wag na muna ngayon, guys. Kasi talagang as in, messy talaga siya, guys. So, inuna ko na muna yung Natapos ko naman yung lunch namin, guys. Tapos ko na nalinisan, na-arrange yung namin, na-tidy yung lunch namin. Pero yung sa may 2 bedroom pa kasi, guys, na kailangan ko siya linisin, guys. Yan. So, ngayon guys, lagay na natin ito guys. So, marami pa talaga kaming bagay na we need to be done guys. Especially dito sa loob ng bahay guys. Tapos yung mga workmates gusto na nilang pumunta dito para pasyalan nila ako, but sabi ko sa kanya, sorry talaga guys, hindi pa talaga ready, hindi pa ako ready na ipakita sa inyo. I'm not ready to accept a visitors at the moment because the house inside is not ready yet. So, wala naman problema guys, may bisita ako, kaso nga lang, wag na muna ngayon at the moment. Kasi, hindi pa talaga ready. Tapos ngayon guys, ilagay na natin yung chicken drumstick natin guys. Look. Ayan. Takson. It's already boiled guys. It's already boiled. So, it's quite soft as well. So, it's gonna be very, very quick cook guys. Guys, sobrang bango niya guys, very very good smells guys. Make me feel hungry, really makes me feel hungry guys, but I have to be patient. It's almost there. So, make it brownish lang muna guys. Medyo, muna natin, medyo konting brown lang yung color. Tsaka actually guys, while I'm boiling my chicken before, I put only salt and vinegar and pepper para maalis yung niya guys, maalis yung langsa. Kaya nga binuboil ko na nga siya una guys. I boiled first. Kasi para maalis yung langsa ng manok. Pero depende sa inyo guys, kung gusto niyo siyang, kung gusto siyang i-bold, isabay-sabay niyo na una, the same time na ilagay mo na yung yung mga ingredients, it's okay guys. It depends. Pero for me kasi guys, this is my version. This is, I prefer like this guys. Guys. Takpan lang natin siya konti guys ha, para mag-brown siya guys. So habang inaantay natin siya mag-brown guys, hugasan ko muna yung green leafy vegetables ko guys. Ayan o, yung pak choy guys. Okay guys? So, ayan na guys. So, ngayon guys, hindi naman siya masyadong nag-brown guys, but it's okay. Kasi malambot naman na yung manok guys, saka wala na rin yung langsa. It's okay. So, supposed to be guys, it looks like this talaga guys. Supposed to be. Kaya, even though you don't need to make it brown color, that's fine. So, ngayon guys, lalagyan natin siya ng fish sauce guys. Ayan. Fish sauce. Yeah. Nilalagyan ko talaga siya guys para lalo siyang sumarap guys. Ayan. Tapos lagyan lang natin siya ng konting tubig guys. Halo-halo lang muna. Mix. Guys, kita niyo ba guys? Ayan guys, oh. Di ba guys? Sarap guys. Ang bango talaga guys. Try nyo too guys. Try nyo lang guys yung version ko. Tapos lagyan lang natin siya ng kunting asin guys. Kasi kunti lang guys. Just small salt lang talaga guys. Depende sa inyo guys kasi matitikman nyo naman eh. Tapos lalagyan ko rin siya ng pepper now guys. As I said to you guys from my previous videos guys, last time that paborito lang talaga namin ng asawa ko yung maraming pepper every time I cook anything guys. Anything food that I going to cook, I always put plenty of pepper guys, but it depends to you guys. It depends really to you. Guys. Tapos tikman natin siya guys ha. Yun guys. Masarap siya guys, in fairness. Ang sarap niya, guys. Tsaka wala yung langsa ng manok, guys. Kasi nga, as I said na, I boiled first my chicken. Every time na gagawa ako ng soup, guys, pinaboil ko muna siya. Tapos, yung every time na gagawa, ginigisa ko yung manok. Tapos, gumagawa ako ng soup, ginigisa. Tapos, binoboil ko muna yung manok. Para mawala yung langsa niya. Ito ang pinakagusto ko, guys. Kahit na hindi ko na siya i-add ng mga chili. Yung pepper kasi pag damihan mo siya ng pepper, guys, medyo yung konti, yung lasa lang ng anghang konti. That's fine. Perfect talaga siya, guys. Yun na, guys. So, konti na lang, guys. Yan. Tingnan muna natin konti, guys, ha? Para ilapit ko kayo konti, guys. Siyempre naman, hindi lang naman ako ang titingin, kayo din. Diba, guys? Of course, guys, you are my family. You are allowed to join me as well and then watch my cooking. Please, guys, also pala, guys, if you like my video today, guys, if you like my cooking today, guys, please don't forget to like and comments down below. And please don't forget to subscribe. Only if you like, guys. Only if you like. Thank you, guys. Alam niyo ba, guys, nafe-feel ko talaga yung presence niyo, guys, andito. Andito kayo sa akin, guys. Tinitingnan niyo talaga ako. You've been watching me, guys. It's okay. I love that, guys. That you're watching me while I'm cooking. Comments lang talaga kayo, guys, ha. Kung anong gusto nyong i-comments, guys. It's okay lang sa akin, guys. Ayan, guys. So, ngayon, ilagay na natin yung ano natin, guys. Yung green leafy vegetables, guys. Ayan na siya, guys. Takpan lang natin siya konti, guys, ha. Yan. So, habang tinatakpan natin siya sandali, guys, chicken muna tayo, guys. Let's have a chat. Okay. Actually, guys, ang ganda ng weather namin ngayon, guys. Tingnan mo naman. Makikita mo sa bintana namin, guys. Makikita mo yung ang init, guys. Ang ganda ng araw talaga. Ang ganda ng weather, guys. So, at the moment, guys, time here is 6:30 in the afternoon, guys, or PM. So, alam mo naman, guys, sa Pilipinas, mga 6:00 pa lang wala na. Medyo madilim na siya, guys, di ba? But dito sa New Zealand, guys, kahit 6:37, 8 PM, guys, may araw pa rin. So, matagal talaga siyang bumababa yung araw. So, kahit na 7 o'clock, 7:38, guys, may araw pa rin siya. So, kahit na maglakad ka sa labas, guys, you're not feeling scared at all. Kasi nga, may ano pa siya, guys, may araw pa siya. So, anyway, guys, tingnan na natin, guys. Guys, so ako, guys, pag nagluluto ako ng green leafy vegetable, half cook lang talaga, guys, para pag makain mo na siya, medyo crunchy. Tapos lalagay na natin to. At saka, guys, baka magtaka kayo, asan na yung coconut cream mo at saka coconut milk? Okay? Hindi, guys. Wait lang, guys. Ayan, guys. Balik ko muna kayo dito, guys, ha. Yan. Okay, guys. So, ngayon, guys, okay na siya. Yung coconut cream natin, yun yung pinakahuli, guys. Ayan, oh. So, yun, hinuhuli ko talaga siya, guys. Because, as I said, guys, na gusto kong, nilalagay yung coconut cream o milk, yung paghuli na talaga, guys. Para, pag tinikman mo na siya, guys, straight away, you can feel the taste of the coconut cream, guys. So, tsaka you don't need naman na kailangang lutuin talaga yung gata, guys, or coconut milk or coconut cream. Kasi it doesn't matter naman, guys, eh. So, yan. Lagay ko na siya, guys. Yan na, guys. Yan na. Tapos, takpan lang natin siya konti, guys. Yan. Wait lang tayo ng mga kahit 3 minutes, guys. Kasi ready naman na siya, guys, eh. It's already, the vegetable is ready. Some chicken as well. So, yun lang, antayin natin yung kumulo lang ng once or twice yung coconut cream or coconut milk. Okay, guys? Thank you so much talaga, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Yung mga sa nanonood, salamat talaga. Maraming salamat talaga. Thank you so much. And please, only if you like, guys, ha, don't forget to subscribe. That's all. Thank you, guys. So, ngayon, guys, tapusin na to. Yeah. Tapos na yung luto natin, guys. Ayan na, guys. So, gagawa na tayo ng presentation, guys. Hindi lang natin siya, guys. Ganda naman ang presentation. Yan na, guys. Are you ready, guys? Are you ready? Okay, are you ready to eat, guys? Yan na, guys, oh. So, dadalhin ko na ngayon kayo dito, guys. So, ayan yung guys. So, ito yung my chicken with coconut cream or coconut milk, my version. O sa Bisaya pa, guys, manok na may gata, na may halong mga vegetable green, guys. Tama ba yun, guys? Hopefully you like it, guys. Nandito lang kayo, guys. Naku. Sasabay tayong kakain, guys. Okay, guys? Ang saya ko talaga, guys, kasi nagawa ko na naman siya, guys. Kahit ilang beses ko na itong ginawa, guys, at least nagawa ko na naman siya ngayon. Tapos pinakita ko sa inyo, guys. So, ayan na, guys. If you like, guys, please don't forget to like, comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you like. Thank you, guys. So, I'm going to end my videos now, guys. I'll see you soon. Love you very much, guys. Thank you so much.